Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode, and today we are going to discuss about how you can install a local LLM, that is large language model, and you can chat with a document. So this is for educational purpose. So look at this website. This website is called GPT4All. You can easily download a software suitable for Windows and Mac depending on your device. So download the software, you can install it very easily, and once you install, the interface is like this. There are three buttons on the top. One, start chatting, second is local doc, and find a model. So chatting is just like a interface like ChatGPT, where you can ask question, and these are the list of chat that is pretty much similar to ChatGPT's user interface. Here you can see your local source of documents. Like here I have already added some books like SEO related content for analyzing them and asking question based on that. So three section basically. One is chart, and another is the local files, and another is the models. Now what kind of model you want to use? There are many open source LLM models available. One of them is by Facebook, which is called Llama 3 8 billion instruct. So you can download this. The file size is like 4.3 GB, and you need at least 8 GB RAM for running this model. Whereas another model is DeepSeek, and it is also open source. You can download it, and it is free for using. And there are some other models that require more RAM, like 16 GB RAM, and the file size is more like 7-8 GB. So it depends on your machine configuration which kind of model you want to use for your research work. So here you can see I have created a model for PHP. I have uploaded a PHP document so that the model can understand the content. So how to do this? Go to the collection section, create a name for this model, and then select the path where you have keep these particular file. So then create this model. So this is very easy, not a problem at all. So once you create a model, then you can go to this. So while it is processing the particular file, it is almost 80% done. Let me do a little bit of research about what is GPT. There is a documentation available where you can quick start, like how to install it. Then there are some you can do some example chat with this, and it can generate a answer based on a document, based on the resource. So you if there you have some document, you don't need to upload it, you don't want to upload it on ChatGPT. In that case, you can use this local GPT from this website GPT4All .io. So what is this GPT4All? So it is an open source ecosystem developed by Nomic AI, and it enables user to run large language model locally in their device. So you can run it on your laptop and desktop. You need a little bit of extra RAM for this, and CPU users, because if I look at my CPU users, it is consuming like 100% CPU, and although it is not taking like 40% memory, but taking a lot of CPU. So 84% processing is complete. We'll check how it can do chat with the document. So here the key features: you are getting a own local GPT at your computer. You don't need to go to the internet connection for that. Of course, I personally prefer that if you use the internet based GPT models that are way faster than this kind of local GPT, but for experiment purpose you can do this to learn that how LLM work. So definitely it is consuming a lot of hardware, so I don't recommend that you only use this, but you can do for experiment purpose. The model support, it supports a lot of models including Falcon, then GPT-J, then DeepSeek. So a lot of models are already there. User friendly, yes, it is user friendly. You can even use Python for the chat. And if you look at the some documentation, you can create your own Python interface for this chat. It will take some time, but definitely not so difficult. You can create your own collection. The components are like Python SDK, so basically it allows developer programmatically interact with the LLM. So when LLM is locally sitting in your own computer, you can summarize your text. You can use some command line for some sort of what we call command line based interaction. So these are definitely good side of this software. Use case, there are many use case like private AI assistants. You can build a private AI assistant at your PC based on the document. You can analyze document, research work, like you want to summarize a text, it can help you. But I see that the quality of the answer is good, but not that level of GPT-4 or other popular language, because it is a little bit of mediocre answer, I can say. And best part is it is offline accessible. You can do some custom development as well. So you will get many resources in the GitHub repository, where you can see it got like 73,000 star, and almost 8 forks are there. So many developer already using this, and a big community around 102 people are involved in this. So this software is written using C++, Python, JavaScript, and as I said, a large community is involved in this particular software development. And now I think our document is ready. Go to the chat section and select PHP, and now I need to select a model. So I'm using DeepSeek R1. So just type one question: please give me a summary of the document. So it is processing now what are the documents available, and it takes a little bit of time. And most interesting thing, it also record how it is thinking, how it is actually the thinking process is also described. What are the questions are there? If I show you one of the old response, like I asked as a digital marketing specialist, teach me what is SEO, and it prepare a very nice answer, you can see. But it took like 126 seconds, so which is like 2 minutes, whereas in ChatGPT it is very fast. So here you have to wait for the processing. So it is just a slow process. It depends on your machine configuration or your device configuration. So the answer is pretty much understandable point by point. And I also asked some difficult question, like what are the challenges in terms of SEO. So it takes like 97 seconds and prepare an answer, which is good. So you can try this software, no doubt. It is almost twilight, but depending on your machine configuration, you can improve it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in another episode. Till then, take care.